Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're gonna be talking about the sandwich. Well, I mean Eric could talk about it too. He's right here.
This is my engine.
Yep, and mine is. Where the heck? Mine's somewhere in the building. So, all right. Well, here we go.
Figure I'll tell him something about it.
Yep.
There's a Weco EK mag on this engine right here, and this is probably one of the most widely used magnetos on these hit-and-miss engines. Just a fun fact for you guys out there.
I don't know if you guys can see it the best, but there's some of the grease cups. Anything else? We got the valves right here, which part of the front engine. It's all this old, so it's nice though. This gas tank was recently put on about a week ago. As Eric was saying about the magneto, that's, yep. So, yep. Well, you guys have a good day. Bye.